together for this great business opportunity. And I thank everyone who took out their time to join this webinar. I also thank the Franchise Apply team for taking all the efforts to arrange this webinar. Friends, today we are going to talk about STEM and robotics business opportunity. So when we talk about STEM, a lot of people think that STEM is related with biology, but STEM is actually science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So I'll come to that later, and how this business opportunity is useful in today's scenario and in today's new India, which is happening after the new education policy which the Indian government has come out with. I'll elaborate more on that. Before that, I would like to give you an insight to what India First Robotics is all about and how we started and what we are. So, friends, we started in 2009. We started in 2009 in robotics and STEM education. We have completed more than 10 years, almost 11 years we have completed. We are India's #1 robotics education company because we have 125 centers all across India. We are operating in 7 countries, 11 states and 33 cities, and we are adding more to it. When I say 7 countries, I mean by India, Tanzania, Kenya, Germany, France, Australia, US, as well as in Kuwait. We have students from all over the world, from US, UK, France, Germany, Dubai. We have a lot of students joining in for our classes, the online classes. We have trained so far more than 500,000 students, more than 5 lakh students. We have trained and certified. We develop these kits, the robotics kits in-house. We have our own in-house R&D unit, and we develop these kits in-house. So our mission is basically to inspire and promote STEM education in the students. And we want to reach out to the last mile of India. We want to reach out to every student in India, in the rural segment also. And that's how we have designed our franchise business model also. We'll come to that in few slides. So here, together, we would like to build the future engineers of India. And I invite you all in this journey with us. Friends, we have been also appreciated by Mr. Narendra Modi, who was the then Chief Minister in Gujarat. And we have also been appreciated by Mr. Ramanlal Vora, who was the then Education Minister in Gujarat. We have worked a lot in Gujarat. So this is a slide for our worldwide presence. We are present in all these countries as well as in India. This is about me. My name is Vinay Kumar. I founded this company in 2009, India First Robotics. The name India First Robotics denotes that I would like to have India first, in whichever initiative that I take. So whatever we do, we need to be passionate about it. And if we are passionate enough to do what we are doing, it doesn't become a job. It becomes a passion, and we all do this as a contribution to the society, as a contribution to our country. This is our team: Vasanti, Snehal, Kapil, Nikhil. There are more to it. We are a 35 strong people army who are dealing with robotics and AI. Friends, we conduct India's biggest robotics competition in 2017-18 and 18-19. This competition is called as First Tech Challenge. Here, students are given an opportunity to develop and design these robots, complex designs of robots to perform different tasks. As you can see in the picture, these robots have to pick up these balls from various locations. Depending on the various locations, they get the points, and they have to put the ball either in the middle of that design where you see a box, or they have to put the box at the corners where you see the rubber padding over there. And they can generate points, different points. So this competition is governed by an organization called as FIRST from USA, and they have been doing it since 1985. So we partnered with them for 2 years, and we conducted this format. And after that, we moved on to various other competitions, because what we found was, in this competition, the costing was quite high and it was restricting a lot of students to participate in this competition. So after 2 years, then we decided that, we should conduct competitions which are more viable or which are more economically suitable for our children. So we moved on to Robotics India. Robotics India is a competition which is conducted by a country called as Estonia, which is near Russia. This Estonia country it's a 100% STEM educated country, wherein all the schools in that country has STEM education introduced in their curriculum. So we conduct this competition pan India in more than 18 cities. The names of the cities are mentioned over here: Pune, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot, Delhi, Chandigarh, Jaipur, Ludhiana, Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Trivandrum, Kolkata, Guwahati, Indore, Bhopal, and Lucknow. So, it's a completely widespread competition all across India. The cost for participating in this competition for the students is very low, only 3,000 rupees. So, compared to the earlier cost, which was around 25, 30,000 rupees. So this is only at 3,000 rupees, and hundreds of thousands of students participate in this competition. So we conduct the technical training as well as the marketing of this competition, and we also conduct this competition in all these cities. So wherever you are, you can find your nearest city and you can participate in that competition. Friends, we are also associated with Indian military by way of conducting this Milbotics competition, which is the biggest military robotics and AI competition in India. When we conducted this competition last year, Indian military had taken a lot of interest in this competition, because a lot of students have participated in this competition for showcasing their talents. Last year the theme was, there were two themes. One was robotics and two was AI. So in robotics, it was basically the students had to design a grenade lobbing robot, wherein the robot had to move to a particular area, and from there the robot had to throw the grenade. So it is basically so that our Indian soldiers, when they are at the borders, they can be protected, and there should not be any casualties. So if at all there is any casualty, the robot can be sacrificed. So this robot was built by 3 engineering colleges in a very good design, and those designs are also accepted by the Indian military, and they're working upon it. Another was for AI, wherein detection of anti-national elements through AI was the theme, wherein if somebody is talking about Kashmir, यहाँ पे काफी अच्छी वादियां है, बर्फ गिरने वाला है, this could be a very innocent conversation. At the same time, this same conversation can also be a anti-national conversation. So these students, they developed an AI system or AI design, wherein they could find out what are the possibilities of having these anti-national conversations detected, and the possibilities were quite high, and they were all applauded. They were given cash prizes by the Indian military, as you can see on the screen, and this was a great success that we conducted. So every year this Milbotics competition will be conducted. So as our partners, you also have an opportunity to participate in this competition and get the students from from your vicinity to participate in these competitions. Now, competitions are a very good platform where where we are able to get in touch with the educators, we are able to get in touch with the parents, we are able to get in touch with the students, and that's how we are able to showcase our branding also. We are able to increase our branding also. So you will be also able to get good mileage, good branding because of this competition, and at the same time it is also revenue generating. Friends, we are also incubating company of Science and Technology Park Pune, which is supported by NSTEDB, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and we are being supported by them for development of various robots for various applications. We are also affiliated with Savitribai Phule Pune University, which is one of the premier universities in India. We are affiliated with their electronic science department. We conduct faculty development programs for the professors. We also conduct skill development programs for the students of this university. This university covers 3 districts in Maharashtra, that is Pune, Nasik, and Ahmednagar. So all the colleges in this, in these three districts comes under Pune University. So we have a very good, leverage with these colleges, wherein we can get in touch with the schools, with the students, college students, as well as with the faculties, and introduce various programs to them. We recently established an incubation and innovation center at SNDT Women's University. It's a state-of-the-art robotics, IoT, and embedded lab, which is spread across in about 2,000 square feet area at the Usha Mittal Information Technology Engineering College campus, which is at Juhu in Mumbai, wherein about 6,000 girls will have access to various and advanced learning technologies, industry projects, research and development that we conduct over there at the center, at the Incubation and Innovation Center. We develop a lot of products also, so product prototyping also happens over there. And once the products are developed, they are commercialized. So these students, while they are in the engineering college, they will get access to all this. And if they want to start a startup of their own, they also have an access for the startup facilitation. We are also consortium partners with ESI from Kochi for building this robot museum in Gujarat. This robot museum is worth about 125 crores, and this is I've mentioned over here completed by August 2020, but due to COVID-19 situation, the completion date has gone ahead, and by end of this year we should be completing it. This is the first of its kind of robot museum in the world. Where about 180 robots are going to be exhibited. About 3 million visitors are expected every year. And we are going to conduct the operations and maintenance of this robot museum for next 5 years after it is completed. So friends, I welcome you all. I invite you all to this robot museum once it is done. Please bring in your friends, relatives, children, everyone over there. This is a great inspiring platform where they will learn about various robots like self-driving cars, robo chef, robo waiters, robo guides, badminton playing robots, fighting robots, dancing robots, orchestra robots, 3D printing robots, and so on and so forth. So it's a huge robo museum which is big, which is coming up, and that's how it will give you till now, whatever I've told you. It will give you an idea why we say that we are India's #1 robotics education company. This is our partial client list. You can see a mix of corporates as well as universities and engineering colleges and schools also in this. So we are dealing with a lot of engineering colleges, schools, as well as universities. So coming to India First Robotics at a glance, when we say what is India First Robotics, so this slide will tell you that we are building India's first robot museum. We have operations in 7 different countries. We have a lot of international partners, which brings in a lot of international exposure to our students as well as our partners. We are conducting India's military robotics competition. We have trained more than 500,000 students. We have our own R&D. We provide international exposure to our students. We have tie-up with hundreds of schools and universities. We conduct India's biggest robotics competition. We have established Innovation and Robotics Incubation Center in SNDT University at Juhu, Mumbai. And we develop and manufacture these kits, the kits that we provide you for training students. We develop them indigenously. So friends, when we look at all this, we have also looked at introducing new programs. So this is a new program that we are introducing from this year. This program is called as Invention Convention Worldwide. There is a museum in US, the Henry Ford Museum. They have come out with this program, and they're conducting this program in US for the last 30 years, wherein they are teaching students on invention education. Now, what is invention education? Is where the school students are taught how to invent. Now, when you teach school students on how to invent, there is a lot of learning that the students undergo, and the personality of the students also gets transformed. So what are the benefit for the school or the program leaders is that this is a standard-based instruction program. This Invention Convention program, it's a standard-based instruction program, which is class-based. So there are categories made K to 2, second class, then third class 3 to class 6, class 7 to class 9, and class 10 to class 12. So there are different K-12 categories program available in this Invention Convention Worldwide program. It's a flexible program with a duration of about 6 to 12 weeks, wherein the students are taught on invention education. It's a very flexible and quite inexpensive program. Here we look at the community as well as the parent involvement, because the more the parent and the community gets involved, the more students' personality is developed, and the mentorship also happens for the students. So students' recognition is taking place at the local, regional, national, as well as global levels. How, I will come in the next slides. So what are the benefits for the students? It is a student generated process. So student identify the problem and they solve the problem, and they come out with a solution and they present it to the world, and then further they are able to get into prototyping of that product. And once the product prototyping happens, they will also be able to get funding for starting their own company while they are in the school. It also increases their communication and research skills. It's a real life opportunity for them to achieve good for the society and for the country as well. It gives an opportunity for original creativity and innovativeness. It's a chance to recognize their innovation talent, and it also builds skills that the employers are looking for, that is innovation, problem solving, communication, and collaboration. If you must have heard about the Prime Minister's speech on the new education policy, the Prime Minister was continuously talking about creativity, innovation, logical development, thinking skills, and things like that. And this is what our program is doing. Now, regarding this Invention Convention Worldwide program, you sign up as a city affiliate. We conduct the training and onboarding process. You start enrolling schools and students, train the students, and once the students are trained, you announce a local school level invention convention. Once the local school level invention convention is done, then there are three stages: the city level invention convention, regional level, and then the national level. Once the national level invention convention is done, top 5 entries are sent to US to participate in the international convention. And if your team happens to be in that top 5 teams, you also get a chance to go to US. We are also now introducing these new robots, mobile robot products that you see over here. These are all robot mobile manipulators. If you see at the products, these products will give you an idea that this is a either ATV, that is automatic transmission vehicle, or AGV, automatic guided vehicles. And you can mount robotic arms onto it, or you can also, in the fourth picture you can see fetch. You can also mount your own trolley onto it, wherein you can go and get anything from there, or you can go and deliver anything from there. So this kind of robots are now going to be very useful and in requirement in the industry. So we want our partners not only to be educators, but also to be problem solvers or solution providers. So you can also become solution providers in your area and distribute these products locally in your city, in the industrial segment, in the hospitality industry, in the hospital industry. And you think about it, and there are a lot of avenues that will open with these products. Another new product that we are bringing in now in India is the Pasco's scientific product. Pasco is a company again from USA, wherein they have designed and developed very good scientific lab equipments which are useful in chemistry, biology, physics, as well as in IT and robotics. So, we are looking at transforming the complete science education. Pasco has successfully partnered with developing and developed nations to tackle science education reform, and is the partner of a choice for education leaders around the world. So we are bringing in the world leaders to our partners, wherein our partners will be able to take benefit of this opportunity and will also be able to distribute these products and set up these labs in schools and engineering colleges, or even science colleges. So if you look at even school, even the college, science college also are using these products, and these are all modern gadgets, modern equipments. And now the time has come where, you know, our India is now opening up for these new products and new technologies. So now coming to STEM and robotics business, you know, many of you have joined this program to understand about STEM and robotics business. You must be thinking that why is STEM and robotics business? How is it useful for the students, and whether it is really required in today's industry or not? So believe me, friends, this 21st century children, they need to understand the requirement of the world. And the most important question is, who will teach them? Will the school academics or the teachers or the parents, will they be able to teach them? If you look at the state of the education system that we have in India, it is quite evident that, you know, when we say that there are 96% of engineers which are unemployable, you know, check it out, the fact on nascom.org, or you know, you can check out the speech that Mr. Narayan Murthy had given about 4 months back, 4 or 5 months back, about talking about 96% of engineers being unemployable. Now, how does that happen? That has happened because of the schooling system. What is happening in the schooling system is, everyone is preparing in our school for the examination. Now, when everyone is preparing for the examination, the practical knowledge is gone for a toss. So everyone is theoretically preparing for the examination, and they are just mugging up, you know, whatever is there in the syllabus. At the same time, the school KG to 12th, the 13, 14 years, the students are only concentrating on the syllabus which is given to them and the books that are given to them. They do not go outside the books or outside the syllabus. They're not encouraged by the school or the teachers or by the parents to go outside the syllabus, because अगर ये outside the syllabus जाएगा तो इसको इसका questions का answers कौन देगा? Because वो क्वेश्चंस ऐसे पूछेगा कि पेरेंट्स टीचर्स को आंसर्स देने को नहीं आएगा. So that is the basic problem, that they are restricted. At the same time, everyone is looking at कि मेरे को, मेरे बच्चे को स्कूल में अच्छे मार्क्स आने चाहिए, लेकिन अच्छे मार्क्स लाके वो करेगा क्या? अच्छे मार्क्स लाके सिर्फ उसको अच्छा कॉलेज मिलेगा, अच्छा कॉलेज मिलने के बाद एक अच्छी लड़की मिलेगी या लड़की को अच्छा लड़का मिलेगा, तो दोनों शादी करेंगे, उनको बच्चे होंगे, फिर बाद में वही बच्चों के पीछे वो वही भागेंगे, अच्छे मार्क्स लाओ. So it is a rat race, and it is time now that our Indian families, our Indian students, our Indian youth come out of this rat race, and we look at development of their personality. Now, how does their personality gets developed in STEM and robotics? Is by learning. They learn what they're doing. You know, it is an activity-based learning. It is a practical, hands-on experience that you are actually giving them. You're teaching them science, technology, engineering, and mathematics concepts in working. They can check out those concepts in working when you teach them. You are teaching them the futuristic knowledge. You're also giving them the knowledge on mechanical, electrical, electronics, as well as information technology. You are also making them do research, so their research oriented orientation skills also get developed, their project based knowledge also gets developed, their problem solving ability gets developed. At the same time, if you see on the right side, there are so many skills, you know, creative thinking, innovative thinking, critical thinking, analytical thinking, communication skills, positive thinking, pressure handling, discipline, teamwork. All these skills get developed as a result of learning of on STEM and robotics. You are not teaching these skills by the book. You are just conducting the training on STEM and robotics. And as a result, as a byproduct, the students are able to acquire these skills. And our learning, our syllabus, our curriculum, our teaching methodology is oriented in such a way that the students will learn these skills automatically. Now, why partner with India First Robotics? Now, we are experienced and experts. We are a well experienced team of 8 management experts. We have 20 robotics engineers working with us. Collectively, we have 100 plus man years of experience. We have in-house expertise. R&D is happening in-house. Content development is happening in-house. Robotics kits are designed and manufactured in-house. Every now and then we keep on changing the kits so that, you know, we do improvement in the kits. We are in the business for more than 10 years. I myself have got more than 20 years of franchising experience, so I know what are the pains that the franchisee goes through, my partner goes through. The first thing is that हमको rent भरना है, हमको salaries देना है, हमको utility bills भरना है. So first of all, what is important for my partners is to see the return on investment. And that is where we come into picture, wherein, we provide you with excellent return on investment opportunity, which is available through our guidance of franchising, marketing, and sales and technical skills. We have academic expertise, wherein, when I say academic expertise, I mean that we understand how to tackle the academic problems. Education, when it is very easy for us to say कि अरे स्कूल में ऐसा होता है, फिर कॉलेज में 96% इंजीनियर्स अनएम्प्लॉयबल होते हैं, बट ये प्रॉब्लम है, तो ये प्रॉब्लम को हम टैकल कैसे करेंगे? उसके साथ ही these college students, college professors or college management, at the same time school teachers, tell them that we will help you in tackling this issue, and we will take care of this particular problem, which is the STEM education and robotics problem. You outsource it to us and we will handle it as if we are your school or your college management people. So we know how to tackle that. So we have a lot of interactions with the government and academics. We have direct tie-ups with 8 universities, 24 engineering colleges, and more than 100 plus schools. Our curriculum is indigenously designed. We have all the sets of right sets of teaching material, that is the course material, syllabus, teaching presentations, builder's guide, as well as lab presentation. So effectively, the partner's teacher, that is your teacher, has to just follow what we are giving, and it is also in a very simple language with effective examples. The robot kits that we use and that we have designed and that we manufacture, these are all open source technology robot kits. The steel material, the mechanical material is made of mild steel, and again it is open source. By open source of mild steel mechanical components, I mean that you can add any outside material into this, and you can incorporate that material into our robotic kits, so that you can add into the design, you can change the design, and you can make your own designs also. It's very economical and market oriented. Our staff is very friendly. We have support all the time, always available on mobile, WhatsApp, and email. We have a very unique support methodology where we provide you with 15 days of technical training and 3 days of marketing training. And we also provide you technical as well as marketing support in your city on site. Okay, we are the only company which provides this. Rather, we are the only company which started robotics and franchising for the first time in India. We also provide this robotics humanoid robot. It's a 3D printed humanoid robot which we manufacture at our facility in Pune. This robot, it's a very advanced robot with high quality speakers, so that you could hear what the robot says. The robot also has a chatbot ability where it is quite an interactive robot, wherein you can interact with the robot. You can ask questions to the robot. The robot will go back to the internet, find the answers, and give you within about say zero 0.1 second. So it is also a 3D camera for body tracking, so that if you are moving, the robot will also move along with you. It will follow all your movements, and it will imitate your movements. So you can set it up to that also. You can see the fingers of the robot. These are all individually controlled fingers. Each finger can be controlled separately. The robot has got eyes, two cameras in place of eyes. So these cameras move, and it can track your face also. It has got a movable jaw while speaking, so it can imitate the speech of a human. And it has got a PIR wake up sensor on motion detection. So when nobody is there in front of it, it will be at a standby mode. At the moment somebody enters the room or comes near the robot will wake up and will start interacting with you. So this robot is a very very good attraction when you offer this kind of humanoid development activities to engineering colleges, wherein a lot of engineering colleges are now looking at development of humanoid. So I talked to you about manufacturing of our own kits. So this is the picture of the kits that you see. The mechanical elements that you see, the C bars, L bars, strips, and small C bars and things like that. All that is designed indigenously and manufactured. The wheels that you see, wheels as well as the gears, these are again manufactured by us. Of course, electronic components we don't manufacture. So this is a kit, a particular kit that you see over here. So there are different variants of these kits which are provided to you. We also teach drones to our students. So this is a nano drone. We use nano drone because, as you know, DGCA has come out with the drone policy wherein anything beyond 250 grams, you need to take permission of the DGCA. You need to take the pilot license. You need to go to the nearest police station, take their permission. तो वो सब झंझट में गिरने से अच्छा, it is better that we design a nano drone which is completely of any license, free of any license. You don't need to take any permission if your drone is of 50 grams. So this is a 60 gram drone, wherein it is a very powerful drone with all the capabilities that you see in the bigger drones. So since we have to teach students, we use these drones. And this is cheaper also. We are into 3D CAD modeling and additive manufacturing. So here we teach our students how to conduct manufacturing, additive manufacturing, and prototyping process. There are a lot of engineers who are now looking at learning 3D printing and additive manufacturing. Anyone who is doing engineering needs to know this technology. You must have heard about Internet of Things. Internet of Things is a huge business. So we are preparing our students for Internet of Things learning also, where we ourselves developed IoT development kits. So on those kits, we provide them trainings on various technologies, on various applications. IoT can be used in logistics. IoT can be used in manufacturing. IoT can be used in commercial offices. IoT also can be used in warehousing. So there are a lot of applications for IoT which we teach to our students, and they are able to conduct various practical programs on that. And there is a lot of future available in Internet of Things sector, which the students can take part into. Industrial automation is another sector where we are present, besides education and franchising. So we are distributors for Dobot, and we are also system integrators for Epson Robotics and Panasonic Robotics for establishing these robotic labs. A lot of engineering colleges are today looking at establishing these industrial robotic arm labs in their colleges, so to give first-hand experience. Engineering colleges as well as ITI and polytechnic colleges, because these students, they need to know how to manipulate this robot, how to program this robot, and how to conduct these various applications. So there are a lot of applications which can be conducted through using the robotic arm. One is pick and place, two is welding, three is deburring, four is painting. So if you see, in various automotive companies and engineering plants, these robotic arms are used. Currently, if you see, about only 3 robotic arms are used per 10,000 population in India. But the world average is about 92 robotic arms per 10,000. Now 10,000 workers. Okay, so here we have a lot of opportunity in India for these robotic arms, and these arms are coming to India, but we need manpower also which is ready to work on these arms. So that is where you also will come into picture. We are shortly introducing a robotic arm, which you can teach to your students, and which is costing very less. Generally, a robotic arm will cost about 15 to 20 lakh rupees, but we are coming out with a robotic arm within the range of about 6 to 7 lakh rupees, which can be taught to our students, and they can further use it. So it's a very good investment later on once you get into this business. Now coming to the courses, we have courses right from 6 year onwards. So the courses are displayed over here. Robotics workshop, RoboChamp Junior Engineer, Visual Programming Junior IT Engineer. Here the student learns about visual programming. A lot of students wants to learn coding. Now coding is getting introduced in our Indian school syllabus from 6th standard onwards, as per the new education policy. So it's a huge business opportunity which is now coming up, and you need to be ready for that. Advanced RoboChamp is all about basic electronics and circuit understanding, making electronics projects and creating your own electronic projects. Then we have App Inventor. A lot of students are, everyone is using mobile. So, everyone knows what is an app in a mobile, but no one knows how to develop that app. Now, developing that app is considered to be a very tedious job, but we have made it very easy. Not we, MIT from US, they have made it very easy, and they have come out with this MIT App Inventor software, which is a very good app development program, which can be introduced to your students, school students, and even you can develop this. You can learn this App Inventor software, and you can develop your own app, publish it onto the Play Store. So you are giving a real good power to the school students. Then we have Champion Pro, wherein they understand about how to make their own circuits, how to use a microcontroller, Atmega 32 microcontroller, and how to manipulate, how to use the sensors. So these are various courses that we have: designing and 3D CAD modeling, Challenger Pro, Core Python, and Advanced Python. Python is a very popular language, programming language now, which is being used in the industry very widely. Then we talk about, we teach them about different technologies like DTMF technology, Bluetooth technology, and hand gesture technology. Hand gesture technology is like, by the gesture of your hand, you can manipulate the robot movements. So just like how Krishna Bhagwan does in Mahabharata, you can teach your students how to wirelessly, how you take your hand to the left, the robot will move on the left. You take your hand to the right, the robot will move on the right. So, with hand gestures, you can teach them. Then we have drone making, embedded systems, and Arduino development, Raspberry Pi development, IoT intermediate engineers, IoT pro engineers, and advanced embedded developer. So there are.
सर आपका वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है?
स्क्रीन शेयरिंग नहीं हो रहा है?
नहीं, वीडियो नहीं आ रहा आपका।
नहीं, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग हो रहा है क्या?
हाँ, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग हो रहा है सर, राइट।
हाँ, वीडियो मैंने बंद कर रखा है।
ओके, ठीक है।
हाँ। And then we have this. So you can see there are 20 number of courses that we have shown over here. There are more courses to this. Showing each course on the slide becomes tedious and again boring for you also. So मैंने सारे courses नहीं डाले इसमें. तो ये काफी सारे courses हैं इसमें. We have now come on to online also. So online you can see all these courses over here. Online we have about 15 courses. These courses again can be divided into two segments: with hardware and without hardware. That is only software programs. So with this COVID-19 situation, we have to come out innovatively with business avenues, more business avenues. So online courses is this business avenue where you will be able to ship the hardware to the student side. The student will have the hardware with them, and the student will be able to perform the practicals, and your teacher will be teaching from their homes. Now, if you see the course and the fee, this hardware course is also this fee includes the hardware also. So we have reduced we have changed the complete offering of the program, and we are giving it in such a way that the student will also own the hardware, and you will also get the money for the training. So दोनों चीजें इसमें हो रही है, and everything is getting covered into all this. So what are the business opportunities that we have? Besides training to school students and college students, you can also set up robotic labs. You can set up IoT lab. You can set up AI, ML, DL. AI मतलब artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning lab setups. Industrial automation lab setup. Now, mind you, friends, these all these colleges, every engineering college and even the science college, be it private or government, everyone is getting funding from government. Okay, they are getting funding to the tune of up to 10 crore rupees. So it is a very good opportunity at this point in time to set up these robotic labs or IoT, AIML or industrial automation labs in these engineering colleges or the science colleges. Government is giving money to everyone, and this is a grant. They don't have to give this money back. They just have to prove that हमारा हमने जो proposal जो दिया हुआ है lab setup करने के लिए, वो proposal is going to be useful for the student, and what is the impact वगैरह ये वो सारा उनको देना होता है. So how to write that proposal also we will give you the support in writing that proposal. Then you can conduct workshops and seminars on various technologies, embedded systems, AI, ML, DL, vision robotics, advanced programming language, and industrial robotics. These are more technologies where we will be supporting you. Embedded design, embedded development, drone design development, bipedal robot design development, Arduino development, PCB designing, Raspberry Pi development, Android chatbot, IoT, Arduino programming, Python programming, computer vision, artificial intelligence, humanoid design and development, and machine learning. So ये सारा जो टेक्नोलॉजी है, ये सारा टेक्नोलॉजी हम आपको सिखाएंगे. It is very true that on the first day your trainer will not be able to learn all these technologies. So they will be taught in intervals. At the same time, our team is available for you to conduct these programs in your city. So don't worry on that. Once we sign up, once we are partners, we are there to support you in any of the technology. So we talked about a lot of, so these are these 21 reasons why you should join India First Robotics Network. It's a well-renowned and respected and most innovative brand in India. You must have seen that in this presentation we introduced a lot many things to you. There are a lot of things happening over here, and we are very confident that after this COVID-19 thing gets over, we will be able to do a lot many things in the education sector. So there are various reasons. I wouldn't read it out to them because then it would be repetition of what I have said just now. So these are various opportunities and various reasons that you should be joining India First Robotics Network. Now coming to the business potential and how the business can be done. When India First Robotics training programs, when we are offering it to school and engineering colleges, these are the three avenues that in the second line you can see: after school training, within school training, and engineering college students training. तो इसमें ये अलग-अलग जो programs है, अलग-अलग options है, अलग-अलग possibilities जो है, वो इसमें सारे हमने map किए हुए हैं आपके सहूलियत के लिए. So you will understand that there are a lot of business avenues available for you within the school, after the school, within the college, after the college, as a part co-curricular, खुद का training center, optional training, school premises, अलग-अलग opportunities available है इसमें. रोबोट किट सेल्स का भी अलग-अलग opportunities है, competition का भी अलग-अलग opportunities है इसमें. Now coming to the most important question, investment कितना है? So this is a special offer for all our franchises that currently we are offering these 5 kits. We are not asking for much investment at this moment because we understand that in this time everyone is conserving money. At the same time market में पैसा अभी घूमना शुरू होगा अभी, so it is just started now. So we from 7 lakhs we have reduced our investment to about 3.5 lakh, and we have introduced 2 new levels, B and C level, जिसमें you can see over here India First Robotics Kit, Basic Electronics, Arduino Starter, Arduino Pro, Raspberry Pi Starter and IoT Starter. उसका आपका cost दिया हुआ है and the quantity है. लेवल ए का क्वांटिटी, लेवल बी का क्वांटिटी और लेवल सी का क्वांटिटी अलग अलग है, उस हिसाब से उनका इन्वेस्टमेंट भी अलग अलग है. एंड देन जो फ्रेंचाइजी लाइसेंस फी है फॉर 2 years फॉर लेवल ए, this is as per the population area. So level A it is 1,50,000, then level B is 1,10,000, and level C is 85,000. That is a license fee. And उसके नीचे रिन्यूअल का दिया हुआ है. एंड देन उसके ऊपर अगर आप देखोगे तो उनका जो किट्स उन्होंने लेना है वो उनका किट्स का इन्वेस्टमेंट दिया है. और आखिर के कॉलम में दिया हुआ है, आखिर के रो में दिया हुआ है टोटल इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो फॉर लेवल ए इट इज 3,44,000, level B it is 2,44,000, and level C it is 1,59,000, so almost 1,60,000. I think this is a very important slide. If you want, you can take snapshots or photo of the slide so that you can have it with you. Now coming to the ROI, ROI is the most important thing कि इसमें हमको ROI कितना मिलेगा, इसमें हमको पैसा कितना मिलेगा. तो यहाँ पे what we have calculated over here is as per level A. तो लेवल ए में अगर हम देखेंगे तो एवरेज स्टूडेंट काउंट जो हमने दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे इज अराउंड 700 स्टूडेंट्स का काउंट दिया हुआ है. विद 700 स्टूडेंट्स एट वेरियस फी लेवल्स यू कैन सी दैट योर अर्निंग कम्स टू अबाउट 44 लाख रुपीज एंड योर टोटल एक्सपेंस विल कम टू अबाउट 10 लाख रुपीज. ओके, जिसमें हमने रॉयल्टी यहाँ पे लास्ट रो में अगर आप देखोगे तो रॉयल्टी यहाँ पे हमने ये 12,000 कंसिडर किया हुआ है. रॉयल्टी पेड टू इंडिया फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स 12,000. So this royalty will be decreased as per your for A level. The royalty is considered as at 5,000 rupees only. And again, this royalty for all the centers will start from the 7th month onwards. First 6 months there is no royalty that you have to pay. तो अगर हम ये 10 लाख का भी खर्चा अगर हम पकड़ते हैं कि ये कांस्टेंट रहेगा एंड यहाँ पे हमने 700 बच्चे पकड़े हुए हैं, तो 700 का बच्चों के लिए अगर हमने रेवेन्यू 44 लाख पकड़ा हुआ है तो 700 अगर नहीं होता है 50% होता है, 350 ही बच्चे होते हैं, 350 स्टूडेंट्स, स्टिल योर रेवेन्यू कम्स टू 22 लाख रुपीज. ओके, एंड योर टोटल एक्सपेंस वी कंसिडर इट एज कांस्टेंट एट 10 लाख रुपीज. फिर भी यू आर मेकिंग 12 लाख रुपीज नेट प्रॉफिट, which is almost like 1 lakh rupee net in a month. Okay, I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. If you have any queries later on, we'll deal with it. Okay, I'll just explain this slide to you. So first row is the typical average fee of the student at the center. So center mein we are looking at 200 student and total amount that is an average fee is at 6,000 rupees. So uska revenue aata hai 12 lakh rupees. School training mein we are looking at 300 students only, and school training you get lesser fees, so 2,500 only per student. You can get more, but I am considering only 2,500, so it is 7,50,000 rupees. रोबोटिक लैब सेल, स्कूल में आप रोबोटिक लैब एस्टेब्लिश करोगे तो उसका कॉस्टिंग पकड़ लो आप 3,50,000 ऑन एन एवरेज, सो दैट इज 10,50,000. इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज वर्कशॉप 50 स्टूडेंट्स एट द रेट ऑफ 1,500 रुपीज, 7.5 लाख रुपया. Engineering college in-house student training, they get 15 students only coming to your center for getting trained on various technologies, higher technologies, 15,000 only. उसका फी ज्यादा होता है लेकिन हमने 15,000 ही पकड़ा हुआ है. एंड ऑनलाइन कोर्सेस 200 बच्चे पूरे साल में एट द रेट ऑफ 2,500 रुपीज, 5 लाख रुपीज. सो टोटल रेवेन्यू इज एट 44 lakh 75,000. And then this is your expense, monthly, yearly expense. So your yearly expense, trainer cost, office rental, marketing cost, travel cost, utility and royalty, total comes to 10 lakh rupees. अगर ये 10 लाख को हमने कांस्टेंट रखा और ये 700 बच्चों की जगह पे हमने 350 बच्चे भी पकड़े और इसका आधा हमने रेवेन्यू अगर पकड़ा तो भी 22 लाख होता है. तो 22 लाख 10 लाख से अगर चला जाएगा तो 12 लाख बचेगा. 12 लाख साल भर का मतलब 1 लाख रुपी नेट पर मंथ, जिसके ऊपर आपको सिर्फ टैक्स ही भरना है, बाकी तो किसको कुछ देना नहीं है. सो दिस इज द बिजनेस रेवेन्यू मॉडल. So thank you for patiently listening to my webinar, and I'm sure you will have a lot of questions now. I invite your questions for for this webinar. These are our contact details, email ID as well as mobile numbers. Please do contact us for whatever queries that you have. Send emails. Please give your feedback to franchise apply as well as the the link that has been shared with you for your feedback. Your feedback is very important to us. It will help us to make more changes and also to get more make this business model more perfect. Please do have, if you have any queries, please do ask me. I'm here to answer your queries.
थैंक यू विनय सर, थैंक्स अ लॉट. डियर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, आज हमने इंडियाज नंबर 1 रोबोटिक्स एजुकेशन ब्रांड, इंडियाज फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स का एजुकेशन का पूरा सेशन देखा है, एंड वी होप कि आपको ये सेशन काफी पसंद आया है. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन. तो अगर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है या क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में जाकर रेज हैंड पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं और मिस्टर विनय कुमार जी से बात कर सकते हैं. We are going to take question Mr. Jignesh. सर अपनी तरफ से अनम्यूट करिए प्लीज. यस सर.
हाँ, गुड आफ्टरनून विनय जी.
हाँ, गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
हाँ, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि हम ये कोर्स से किनको बेच सकते हैं? ओनली इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट, मतलब जो रोबोटिक्स इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं उनको?
सर अभी ये जो प्रोग्राम जो है, दिस प्रोग्राम इज सेलेबल टू स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स, टू इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स,
ओके,
टू साइंस कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स,
ओके,
जिन्होंने बीएससी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, बीसीए, बीएससी कंप्यूटर्स कर रहे हैं वो,
ओके,
प्लस जूनियर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स,
ओके. सपोज मैं अभी
एंड पॉलिटेक्निक स्टूडेंट्स.
एक्चुअली आई एम बेसिकली फ्रॉम बड़ौदा, गुजरात. ओके.
ओके.
अभी बड़ौदा में तो देखने जाओ तो रोबोटिक्स के लिए मतलब हार्डली 2 या 3 कॉलेज है. एक एक कॉलेज में 40 टू 50 स्टूडेंट होते हैं. तो हम 700 स्टूडेंट साल के या 350 स्टूडेंट साल के लाएंगे कहाँ से? मतलब किनको अप्रोच करेंगे?
Right, right. It's a very good question, sir. I will elaborate on this question. When I say 700 students or 350 students totally, तो आप बड़ौदा अगर आप देखोगे तो बड़ौदा में if you list out the schools, you know, बड़ौदा में schools कम से कम 40 schools अच्छे schools हैं. Okay, each school will have at least 2000 students. मैं 1000 ही बच्चे पकड़ता हूँ, तो ये 40,000 बच्चे हो गए.
अगर वो आपके आगे की स्लाइड में लिखा था कॉलेज, तो मैं सोचा कि कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट तो मतलब हार्डली 2-3 बैच की होती है, तो उसमें इतने सारे स्टूडेंट आएंगे कहाँ?
कॉलेज का भी अगर आप देखोगे सर, तो आपके यहाँ पे पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी है, एमएस यूनिवर्सिटी है, बाकी आपके यहाँ पे काफी आगे आगे भी एक यूनिवर्सिटी है मेरे ख्याल से, अपना बिट्स पिलानी है आपके यहाँ पे. तो ये सारा अगर हम पकड़ेंगे तो ये कम से कम एक 10 कॉलेजेस हो जाएंगे वहां पे. पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी में ही 6000 बच्चे हैं.
नहीं, 6000 बच्चे हैं, पर पर्टिकुलर रोबोटिक्स का काम करने वाले जो हैं वो तो 40 ही बच्चे की टू होती है. मेरा खुद का बच्चा मतलब उसमें आईटीएम में है. हाँ. तो वहाँ पे हालांकि दूसरी उसकी मतलब फ्री में वो कंप्यूटर में कर रहा है इंजीनियरिंग. हाँ. पर कहने का मतलब ये है कि मेरी खुद की आईटी कंपनी है. हाँ. मैं वो हिसाब से बता रहा हूँ कि उसका जो पोटेंशियल है वो कहाँ पे मिलेगा. तो
बताता हूँ. पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी में अगर अब एक इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज अगर आप देखेंगे, पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी छोड़ दो, पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी में हमने अभी हाल ही में कोविड-19 के पहले ही 8 लाख का लैब बेचा हुआ है सर वहाँ पे, रोबोटिक्स लैब का.
ओके.
वहाँ पे उनको और भी लेना है. तो अब कहने का मतलब ये है कि यहाँ पे कोई भी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज अगर आप देखोगे तो वहाँ पे उनके पास अलग अलग स्ट्रीम होते हैं. आईटी है, सीएस है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है, इलेक्ट्रिकल है, मैकेनिकल है. ओके, ये सिविल का छोड़ दो. हर हर स्ट्रीम में अगर आप देखोगे तो एफई, एसी, टी और बी ऐसे 4 ईयर होते हैं। तो हर स्ट्रीम में 4 ईयर के मिला के कुछ नहीं तो कम से कम 380 बच्चे होते हैं।
ओके।
तो अगर ये 5 स्ट्रीम अगर हम पकड़ते हैं तो 380 बच्चे अगर हम पकड़ते हैं, 400 पकड़ लो एक कैलकुलेशन के लिए, 400 बच्चे पकड़ते हैं, 400 इंटू 5 करते हैं तो 2000 बच्चे तो एक कॉलेज में होते हैं। तो ये जो अभी मैकेनिक रोबोटिक्स के लिए क्या होता है, रोबोटिक्स इज अ कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, मैकेनिकल, इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड आईटी। ठीक है, आईटी वाले बच्चे में भी मैकेनिकल वाला नहीं समझेंगे, लेकिन आईटी वाले बच्चे प्रोग्रामिंग का समझेंगे। तो उनके लिए आईओटी है, उनके लिए पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग है, उनके लिए एआई है, उनके लिए कंप्यूटर विजन है।
ओके।
तो ये सारे कोर्सेज अपने पास है। सो वी केटर टू आईटी ऑल्सो, we cater to electronics by giving them embedded systems, control systems and and robotics. We cater
ओवरऑल मतलब ये हमारा जो है आफ्टर स्कूल आफ्टर कॉलेज प्रोग्राम है ना
सर। स्कूल में और कॉलेज में तो मतलब स्किल ओरिएंटेड या जॉब ओरिएंटेड या करियर ओरिएंटेड कुछ भी सिखाते नहीं सर।
ओके।
तो कॉलेज के लिए अगर हम देखेंगे तो इट इज अ स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड स्किल बिल्डिंग प्रोग्राम।
जो अभी जो आपके एग्जिस्टिंग जो फ्रेंचाइजीज है,
हाँ,
वो साल के कितने स्टूडेंट कर लेते हैं सर, मतलब मिनिमम टू मैक्सिमम?
हाँ सर, अभी इसमें हम देखेंगे तो 200-250 बच्चे तो मिनिमम हो ही जाते हैं।
मतलब 200-250 हो जाता है
हाँ
एग्जिस्टिंग में। ठीक है सर, नो प्रॉब्लम।
सर, अगर हम बड़ौदा का अगर हम पोटेंशियल निकालेंगे ना, तो बड़ौदा में, ये बड़ौदा इज अ वेरी गुड सिटी, इट्स एजुकेशन सिटी, और मोस्टली वहाँ पे सारे लोग एजुकेशन पे ही ध्यान देते हैं। बड़ौदा के साथ मेरा भी खुद का बहुत नजदीक का नाता है। तो बड़ौदा में अगर हम देखेंगे तो कम से कम 1 लाख स्टूडेंट्स हमको मिलेंगे वहाँ पे। हमको ये 1 लाख स्टूडेंट्स में से सिर्फ 700 स्टूडेंट्स निकलने सर बाहर। That is the kind of approach that we should have.
Okay.
And you're a businessman, sir, so you know that to get 700 students out of a large population of 1 lakh students, what you have to do is you have to break that 1 lakh student into different segments, like अलग-अलग schools में। और अगर हम 40 स्कूल कहते हैं बड़ौदा में है, उसमें से अगर हमारे लायक 10 स्कूल ही निकले, तो 10 स्कूल में से अगर हमको 20-20 बच्चे भी मिले तो भी 200 बच्चे हो जाते हैं। So that way we have to look into this business in the first year. See, your first year is going to be very crucial.
Okay.
Once you build up on your first year, you participate in various competitions where you arrange various competitions, you connect with lot of parents, lot of people over there. तो वहाँ से आपको students आना शुरू होते हैं। Any school business या education business, it's a show business.
Right, sir.
And it's a business of networking. तो आपको शो करते रहना है, आपको नेटवर्किंग करते रहना है। नेटवर्किंग करने के लिए there are lot of other avenues like लायंस क्लब है, रोटरी क्लब है, अलग अलग क्लब्स है। वहां जाके सिर्फ हम लोगों से मिलते हैं। कोई भी क्लब लेते हैं तो एक क्लब में कम से कम 60-70 मेंबर्स होते हैं। 60-70 मेंबर्स में से 30 मेंबर तो कम से कम ऐसे होते हैं कि जिनके बच्चे अपने कैटेगरी वाले क्लाइंट्स होते हैं।
Right, sir.
So बिजनेस बिल्डअप होना शुरू हो जाता है सर। What I have seen over here, I'm sure other friends are also, other participants are also listening. What I have seen over here is, the one who drives that business is very important. उसका thought process, उसका thinking process, उसका vision is very important. So if you have that kind of a vision with 2 people working with you, one marketing staff and one technical staff, you will be able to do at least 700-800 students in a year, definitely.
Okay, sir. No problem. Thank you.
Right, sir. I hope I have answered your queries properly.
Yeah, sir. Exactly, sir.
Yes. What is your name, sir?
My name is Jignesh Soni.
Jignesh Soni.
Yeah, Soni. That's my name.
Okay. So Jignesh जी, अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट होगा तो आप प्लीज आपका नंबर और मेल आईडी।
हाँ, नंबर है मेरा अशोक जी के पास,
जी।
तो वो मैंने दे दिया है, तो वो आपको दे देंगे।
राइट सर, अपन डिटेल में डिस्कस करते हैं फिर इसका।
श्योर सर।
ओके, यस।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक्स अ लॉट।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। हाँ जी।
मिस्टर करण, please ask the question. Right.
Yeah, I want to know what is the qualification needed for a trainer. So I am a BCom graduate. So can I open this franchise?
Yes, Karan, you can open this franchisee. What as a businessman, what we need.
Hello.
Can you hear me, Karan?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Yeah. So yes, you can open the business, and as a businessman, what we need is passion and vision. ओके जो ट्रेनर है, ट्रेनर आपका जो हमको चाहिए वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर चाहिए.
अच्छा.
तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर का जो होगा उसको हम बराबर उसको ट्रेनिंग कर देंगे. प्लस वी विल ऑल्सो ट्रेन यू बिकॉज ये हम सिखा रहे हैं तो स्कूल के स्टूडेंट को, शुरुआत में तो हम स्कूल के स्टूडेंट को सिखा रहे हैं, तो स्कूल के स्टूडेंट का तो कोई क्वालिफिकेशन होता नहीं है. तो फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इफ यू से you can also learn this technology to an extent where you will be able to interact with engineers also.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. आप बता रहे थे कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर चाहिए होगा, उसको आप ट्रेन कर देंगे. हाँ.
That's right. और हम आपको भी ट्रेन कर देंगे ताकि आप ये बच्चों के साथ भी आप मतलब स्कूल प्रिंसिपल्स, कॉलेज HODs वगैरह इनके साथ भी आप बात कर सको एंड उनके साथ इंटरेक्ट कर सको आप. और आपको एक बार ये बिजनेस समझ में आ गया तो आप आपके ट्रेनर्स को और मार्केटिंग पर्सन को बराबर आप उनको यूटिलाइज करके, अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करके यू कैन गेट मोर बिजनेस आउट ऑफ द मार्केट.
अभी मैंने एक टिंकरली करके कोई है, उनका रोबोटिक्स का टिंकरली करके एक कंपनी है. तो उनका फ्रेंचाइज, उनका मतलब ज्वाइन किया था. तो वो जो है मतलब किसी को भी सिखा रहे हैं. वो कह रहे हैं कि हम आपको पहले सिखाएंगे, वी विल गिव यू ट्रेनिंग फॉर अबाउट 10 days और आप फिर बेसिक जो है पढ़ा सकते हो, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे ग्रेजुअली आप ही को आगे एडवांस कर देंगे. तो पता नहीं, मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि इज इट पॉसिबल कि कॉमर्स ग्रेजुएट इतना कॉलेज के बच्चों को और पढ़ा सकता है?
नहीं कर सकता है सर.
नहीं कर सकता,
मतलब लॉजिकली आप सोचिए ना करण जी, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. और दूसरा मैं खुद क्या बोल रहा हूँ, सी आई एम इन दिस बिजनेस फॉर लास्ट 10-12 years. Okay, when I started, there was no one in India. I was the only one. So I did not have any model to follow. I did not have anyone to ask for. But one thing I did very categorically that मैं खुद training नहीं दिया कभी भी. Because as a businessman, I should always be busy in managing the business. I should always be busy in generating new ideas, doing networking, business development. तो आप मतलब ये आपको एक ट्रेनर रखना मतलब सिर्फ 15,000 का सवाल है. 15,000 आपको 2-3 स्टूडेंट महीने का करेंगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा.
ओके.
तो यू हैव टू थिंक फ्रॉम दैट एंगल एंड यू एज अ बिजनेसमैन यू शुड नॉट गेट इन्वॉल्व इनटू ट्रेनिंग. मतलब आपने खुद ने ट्रेनिंग नहीं देना चाहिए. आपने
एक सेइंग है कि अगर आप अपना खुद का बिजनेस खुद नहीं जानते हो कि क्या है, तो आप वो बिजनेस नहीं चला सकते, ऐसा कहा गया है.
सही बात, एकदम सही बात है. इसी के लिए मैंने आपको क्या कहा कि हम आपको भी ट्रेन करेंगे.
नहीं, आप तो वो कम्युनिकेशन पार्ट, कैसे मीटिंग करनी है, ये सब अच्छा है. इसमें क्या जो बेसिक है, जैसे बताया जाता है कि आप जो 7-8 साल का बच्चा है, 7-8 साल से लेकर 11-12 साल तक के बच्चों को मतलब पढ़ाया जा सकता है, मतलब इतना ट्रेन किया जा सकता है. मुझे मान लो मैं बेसिक ही मैं मैनेज भी करना चाहता हूँ, पर मैं बेसिक भी चाहता हूँ सीखना, और उसके बाद एक ट्रेनर रख लूंगा जो कि हायर, जो कि कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाए. तो ऐसा पॉसिबल है, राइट?
एक 2-3 लेवल तक पॉसिबल है. उसके आगे जैसे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आ जाएगा वहां पे पॉसिबल नहीं. पढ़ाने के लिए तो आप पढ़ा पाओगे उनको. हम आपको सिखा देंगे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का, हम आपको सिखा, क्योंकि वैसे भी हम स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स को सिखा रहे हैं. तो आपको भी सिखा देंगे हम आपको. लेकिन अगर मैं आपको पूछता हूँ कि ये रजिस्टर की जगह पे मैंने कैपेसिटर डाला तो क्या होगा?
नो आइडिया.
हाँ, तो ये जो है ना, ये चीज आप वो बच्चे को नहीं पढ़ा सकेंगे. अच्छा, बच्चे को हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया. बच्चे को तो हमको एनकरेज करना है ना. बच्चे का हमको इनोवेटिव स्किल और क्रिएटिव स्किल के लिए हमको बढ़ावा देना है उसको. तो उसको गलतियां करने के लिए हमको बढ़ावा देना है. और उसको उसके पीछे का साइंटिफिक रीजन हमको समझाना है कि अगर कैपेसिटर डालते हो तो ये होगा, अगर रजिस्टर डालते हो तो ये होगा.
ओके.
या मैंने आपको बता दिया कि मैंने 0.5 ओम का या रजिस्टर है, उसकी जगह पे मैंने 2 ohms का रजिस्टर डाल दिया तो क्या होगा? तो वो नहीं, वो आप नहीं बता पाओगे, आप सिर्फ 0.5 रजिस्टर पे आप पढ़ा पाओगे उनको।
राइट राइट, मतलब बहुत छोटा सा बेसिक लेवल, फर्स्ट और सेकंड लेवल तक ही पढ़ा सकता हूँ।
राइट सर, राइट सर,
ओके ठीक है।
राइट।
थैंक्स मिस्टर करण, थैंक्स अ लॉट।
करण साहब कहाँ से बात कर रहे थे?
मिस्टर करण,
दिल्ली से, दिल्ली।
दिल्ली से, ओके।
थैंक यू मिस्टर करण। Yeah, it's an iPhone. Yes, sir. Now you can ask your question, please.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, very much, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, now the royalty part, you said it is applicable for some 6 to 7 months, right? So,
No, it is not applicable for first 6 months.
That's what. After 6 to 7 months, it will be applicable, correct? That's what I'm saying.
Right, right.
So, you're not told what is the percentage of royalty?
मैंने दिखाया था सर, 1 मिनट में दिखा देता हूँ आपको वापस। कैन यू सी सर?
Yes, sir.
सर ये फिक्स रॉयल्टी है, इसमें देखिए आप सेकंड लास्ट रो जो है इसमें फिक्स्ड रॉयल्टी, मंथली फिक्स रॉयल्टी आफ्टर 6 months ऑफ एग्रीमेंट साइन अप। लेवल ए के लिए इट इज 5,000 रुपीज पर मंथ, आप कितने भी बच्चे करिए सर उसमें।
Okay, okay.
ओके, लेवल बी के लिए 4,000, लेवल सी के लिए 3,000।
तो अभी ए बी सी आपने बोला डिपेंडिंग ऑन पॉपुलेशन एंड सिटी, तो हाउ डू आई कम टू नो कि मतलब आई एम राइट नाउ द प्लेस वेयर आई एम स्टेइंग इट्स बेलगाम सिटी, इट्स अ 2-tier city.
बेलगाम विल कम इन लेवल बी सर।
It will be level B. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Okay. So, do you have any, already have you given any franchises or setup in Karnataka or Goa? मतलब जहाँ पे हम जाके देख सकते हैं to have a fair bit of idea. Investment part and all you have told, okay, वो तो दिमाग में बैठ गया.
Right.
But is there any possibility, because I'll be traveling to Goa and within Karnataka?
हाँ.
So, is there any franchise? Is there any franchise or like what you call your lab where we can go and have a fair bit of idea?
हाँ, गोवा में है, बैंगलोर में है।
गोवा में क्या उसका थोड़ा एड्रेस चाहिए सर, मैं एक बार वहाँ पे जाके देख लूंगा तो सेटिस्फाइड हो
जरूर
जाऊंगा।
जरूर, आपका डिटेल दे दीजिए सर, उसमें डाल दीजिए आप डिटेल, आपका मेल आईडी और मोबाइल नंबर।
हाँ सर, हाँ सर,
हम आपको पूरा डिटेल भेज देते हैं सर। आपका नाम क्या बताया सर?
सर प्रसाद करके। प्रसाद कुंटे।
कुंटे।
Yes sir, I am staying at Belgaum, which is very much near to Maharashtra and Goa.
Yes. Oh yes. I've been to Belgaum a lot of time.
Okay.
धारवाडचे पेढे प्रसिद्ध आहेत ना तुमचे?
हाँ सर, धारवाडचे पेढे, बेळगावचे कुंदा। बरोबर. आपण पुण्याचे आहेत का?
हो, पुण्याचे आहे सर आम्ही. Yes.
Okay.
You can come to Pune also sir, you are welcome to Pune.
Done sir, done. Definitely, then it's no issue for me sir, it is very near for me also. Then once the COVID situation is over,
yes,
or some improved, vaccine comes, then I'll plan sir.
Right sir, we are planning to come to Kolhapur.
Okay.
कोल्हापुर के नजदीक उधर गारगोटी है, गारगोटी में भी हमने एक स्कूल है उसको दिया हुआ है।
ओके।
हाँ,
तो चलेगा सर। आप मुझे अगर आपको विजिट कब है आप बोल दोगे, आप आने का प्लान है तो मैं आपको एक दिन पहले आप मुझे बोल दोगे तो मैं अरेंज कर लूंगा।
यस सर, ग्रेट, जरूर सर, श्योर।
ठीक है। थैंक यू सर,
थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Mr. Prasad. Dear participants, we have only 5 minutes left. If you have any questions, any query, please drop your questions in chat box. We have next question, Mr. Jitu. Okay, Mr. Jitu, now you can ask your question, please.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून जीतू जी।
सर मैं जितेंद्र मुरैना MP से।
हाँ जी।
सर मैं पहले से ही ऑलरेडी कोचिंग देता हूँ कंप्यूटर फील्ड से ही।
अच्छा।
अब काफी टाइम से मैं फेसबुक पे होता है तो रोबोटिक्स के काफी कुछ आ रहे थे। आज मैंने आपका वेबिनार भी अटेंड किया।
अच्छा।
तो एक रिमोट एरिया में इसका क्या फीचर्स हैं, और जैसे मेरे यहाँ पे नियर ऑफ ग्वालियर 35 किलोमीटर है।
हाँ।
और तो यहाँ पे लैब को एक डेवलप करना चाह रहा था मैं, और जो आपका जो कोर्सेज है उसको भी मतलब करना चाह रहा था बच्चे को इंक्लूड करके, नहीं जिसमें इन फ्यूचर में ये काफी बेस्ट है। तो एक बार एक लैब का खर्चा और इसके साथ टीचिंग क्वालिफिकेशन क्या रहेगी सर?
ओके सर, आपका मुरैना मतलब कितना, मतलब कौन सा डिस्ट्रिक्ट आता है सर आपका? ये कौन सा
MP
MP, मुरैना बताया आपने।
हाँ, नियर ऑफ ग्वालियर सर।
ओके, और वहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन कितना है?
सर मेरा जो सिटी का पॉपुलेशन है वो 2.5 लाख है
हाँ,
अभी। और ग्वालियर मेजर सिटी है, यहाँ से 35 किलोमीटर है, उसका कम से कम 12 लाख है।
राइट। तो सर आप ये जो लेवल सी वाला जो है ना, वो लेवल सी वाला आप ले लीजिए, जिसमें 1,60,000 का आपका टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट है।
ये सर फ्रेंचाइजी का।
हाँ जी सर, जिसमें आपको किट्स भी मिल जाएगा।
हम्म
किट्स आपको करीब इसमें 35 किट्स मिल जाएगा आपको। एंड इसमें बाकी फिर सॉफ्टवेयर के कोर्सेज वगैरह भी आपको ट्रेनिंग कर देंगे हम। और आपके साथ अगर एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का बंदा अगर आप ले लोगे, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर, तो वो काफी रहेगा।
अच्छा,
और
माय
वहाँ
क्वालिफिकेशन है सर, माय क्वालिफिकेशन बीएससी कंप्यूटर साइंस से।
ग्रेट
और
ग्रेट
मेरा
ग्रेट,
एक फ्रेंड सर्कल है, वो भी पाइथन हम पढ़ाते हैं उसको।
वंडरफुल।
हाँ, तो वो है। इसके साथ सर ये जो आपका लैब का एक बार एक्सपेंसिव था, तो मैं शॉर्टली आपका अटेंड नहीं कर पाया था 5 मिनट के लिए।
हाँ
तो एक बार लैब को डेवलप करने के लिए क्या है, जैसे क्या अट्रैक्टिव लैब होता है ना सर, तो
हाँ,
उसमें क्या है, जो यहाँ पे कम मिनिमम जो सीबीएसई बोर्डेड स्कूल हैं वो 10 स्कूल हैं अब मेजर
अच्छा,
बड़े।
हाँ,
तो केवल स्कूल लेवल पे ही कोडिंग कराएंगे, क्योंकि कॉलेज तो मेरे पास आसपास में है नहीं इतना जो।
बराबर।
हाँ, तो ये जो केवल स्कूल लेवल पे मैं इसको डेवलप करने के लिए बात कर रहा था।
कोई बात नहीं सर, तो स्कूल लेवल पे आप इसको कर सकते हैं। स्कूल लेवल पे
हम्म
अच्छी तरह से हम आपको पूरा उसका डिटेल भी बता देंगे। आपका
हम्म
आपका क्या करो, आप नाम नंबर और ईमेल आईडी आप उसमें डाल दीजिए चैट में। तो
जी
अशोक जी के पास मिल जाएगा, तो वो मुझसे शेयर कर देंगे। फिर हम आपसे अलग से बात करके आपको डिटेल में पूरा उसका समझा देंगे।
जी
और ये प्रेजेंटेशन भी भेज देंगे। तो मेरा सबसे एक ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप आपका सबका मेल आईडी और मोबाइल नंबर डाल दीजिए चैट बॉक्स में, तो हम आपको ये पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन मेल कर देंगे।
ओके ओके सर,
यस सर, यस सर।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू मिस्टर जीतू। मिस्टर जीतू, आपका कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर आ चुका है, लेकिन आपने अपना मेल आईडी मेंशन नहीं किया है चैट बॉक्स में, तो
मैं
प्लीज मेंशन।
अभी
थैंक यू मिस्टर जीतू। यस सर, डियर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, वी हैव ओनली 4 मिनट लेफ्ट। अगर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है या क्वेरी है, या विनय सर से आप बात करना चाहते हैं, आपके मन में किसी भी तरह क्वेश्चंस है इन द टर्म्स ऑफ फ्रेंचाइजी फीस, आरओआई, फ्रेंचाइजी सपोर्ट, कहाँ इंडिया फर्स्ट रोबोट्स को स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, ब्रांड किस तरह सपोर्ट करेंगे, उन सब तरह के क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आपको मिस्टर विनय देंगे। और आप भी मिस्टर विनय कुमार से बात कर सकते हैं और ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ सकते हैं, फाइनेंशियल समझ सकते हैं। ओके, वी हैव नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मिस रीना। यस मिस रीना, प्लीज अनम्यूट करें अपनी तरफ से प्लीज।
Hello. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I'm from Nasik, actually, Maharashtra. And I'm a trainer, basically. I'm a trainer for logistics supply chain management. Yes, this is a good concept of robotics, and I have tried many times, but due to some barriers, I couldn't go for it. But yes, how I can be the part of this, I would like to know.
Now you want to start the business, Reena, or you want to participate in terms of what, volunteering or something?
Volunteering, starting with the volunteering, then we'll think of starting my own business in this.
Great.
Because currently my financial status is not that much stable.
Okay.
And my 3 kids all are going to school, and I'm the only person for their taking care.
Okay. Not a problem. So I'll give you another good news that I am also from Nasik.
Oh, wow. Good. Thank you.
Nasik is my hometown, so I am going to come to Nasik in the next week.
Okay.
So we'll definitely try to meet up. We have started our operations in Nasik, and we are looking out for good people in Nasik who can volunteer or who can help us out over there. Because as you know, to conduct robotics competitions and various activities, we need a lot of good people who could participate and who could help us out. So we have a network of a lot of good people over there. So maybe we can definitely provide you with some insights of our business and look at your participation as well. We have 2 employees in Nasik, and currently they are operating from home. We're doing good business in Nasik in terms of training. and we have some government projects also going on in Nasik. So we'll definitely see to it that your participation is also involvement is also taken care in that projects.
Definitely. So basically, I'm a trainer for communication and sales.
Oh,
And
wonderful. So we have another program which I was talking about, Invention Convention Worldwide.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe you could just note down a website. The website address is inventionconvention.org.
One sec, sir.
Yeah. Inventionconvention.org. Please check out this website. This is in US. We are their India affiliate partners, and we are introducing this program in India. So where we are going to require communication trainers and a trainer, and we'll be training those trainers. The US people will be training the trainers so that they can further conduct the training programs in the schools.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, because my 3 kids are going to school. The elder daughter, she is in 9th currently. Okay. And the younger, she is in 8th, and the son is in currently 3rd standard. Yes, I'm the only person, so investment is a challenge for me in this scenario actually.
Not a problem. We'll look into it, and we'll give you a business model where you will be able to work out properly without investment.
For training part, for traveling part, I'm open for traveling also. There is no challenge for me to travel throughout India or outside India also.
Wonderful. You can note down my number also. It's 844.
One sec, sir. One sec.
Yeah.
844
6767
6767
555. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sure. Thank you so much, Reena.
Thank you, sir. I'm just giving you a call from my number.
Sure. No problem.
Yeah.
Thank you, Reena ji. Thanks a lot. Dear participants, we have only 2 minutes left. And Mr. Amit ji, हम आपका क्वेश्चन ले रहे हैं, लेकिन आपसे रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा अपना क्वेश्चन आप विद इन 2 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट करें. Yes, Mr. Amit. Now you can ask your question, please.
हेलो
अमित जी.
हाँ सर, सुन पा रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, एकदम लाउड एंड क्लियर.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
हाँ सर, जैसे हम जानना चाहते थे कि इसमें एलिजिबिलिटी आप क्या मानते हैं? मान लीजिए आप स्टूडेंट हैं.
हाँ.
तो क्या हम आपके फ्रेंचाइजी लेके स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं कर सकते. आप क्या करते हैं? व्हाट इज योर क्वालिफिकेशन अमित जी?
सर अभी 12th रनिंग है.
हाँ
सर अभी 12th में है.
12th में है.
यस सर. तो
आपको तो आपकी पूरी पढ़ाई करनी होगी ना, आगे ग्रेजुएशन भी करना होगा आपका.
सर इसमें क्वालिफिकेशन आप मांगते हैं?
नहीं, क्वालिफिकेशन मांगते नहीं है. क्या होता है कि आप अगर पढ़ाई में बिजी होंगे तो आप बिजनेस की तरफ ध्यान नहीं दे पाओगे.
नो सर, माय एम इज ओनली बिजनेस.
अच्छा, ठीक है. तो आप बिजनेस भी कर सकते हैं. आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं?
सर यूपी में बलिया.
यूपी में कहाँ से?
बलिया सर.
बलिया.
यस सर.
अच्छा, तो आप क्या करिए, आपका नंबर और ईमेल आईडी आप डाल दीजिए. हम आपको कांटेक्ट करते हैं और आपसे फिर डिटेल में बात करते हैं कि आपको कैसे बिजनेस कर पाएंगे आप इसमें.
ओके सर.
थैंक यू अमित जी. थैंक्स अ लॉट. ओके, मिस्टर संदीप बत्रा जी, प्लीज आस्क अ क्वेश्चन.
हेलो.
हाँ संदीप जी.
हाँ जी, गुड आफ्टरनून विनय जी.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
विनय जी, as you have shown your 3 models ABC.
हाँ जी.
जो आपने अपॉर्चुनिटीज दिखाई हैं, बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज, इसके साथ साथ आप तो ये भी कार्य कर सकते हैं
जी
आपकी तरफ से. तो वो सभी में सेम होंगी या ए के लिए कुछ सेक्शंस होंगी, बी के लिए कुछ और?
सर अभी क्या होता है कि ये जो बिजनेस मॉडल जो बनाया है ABC, ये पॉपुलेशन के हिसाब से बनाया और सिटी के हिसाब से बनाया. जैसे टायर A सिटी है, टायर B सिटी है और टायर C सिटी है. तो उस सिटीज के हिसाब से भी वहाँ पे जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज है वो कम ज्यादा होती है.
ओके.
तो उस हिसाब से बनाया. सर आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं? सर
मैं तो हिमाचल प्रदेश से बोल रहा हूँ, पोटा साइड से. अगर हम इसको दून में शुरू करते हैं, देहरादून में सपोज करिए.
हाँ.
तो इसमें मान लीजिए सी उसमें आता है, ये सपोज कीजिए हमारे हिसाब से, आपके हिसाब से शायद कहीं जहाँ भी हो।
देहरादून तो सर ए के ऊपर जाना जाएगा।
नहीं, एक्चुअली में वो डिपेंड करेगा कि कितना बिजनेस वहां से बाद में मिलेगा, क्योंकि अभी कोविड
सही है,
सिचुएशन से सारे स्कूल्स वगैरह सब बंद है।
सही है, सही है।
ठीक है ना, आगे भी क्या उसका सिनेरियो रहता है अभी नहीं कुछ कह सकते हैं। चलिए
हाँ
मैं बी या सी की बात ही करता हूँ, तो जो और अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं
जी,
जो आपने दी हैं, वो तो उसके लिए तो ओपन है ना, कि भाई ठीक है अगर कोई करना चाहे वो बिजनेस, जैसे आपने 3D का बताया, पिंटरेस्ट का बताया।
हाँ जरूर जरूर, यस 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 यस
मेरा
यस।
पर्पस था पूछने का, मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं भी नहीं आप सिर्फ ये में यही कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि आपका तो बिजनेस ही बढ़ेगा ना उससे, अगर मतलब कोई
यस यस, हमारा भी बढ़ेगा, आपका भी बढ़ेगा सर। द एम इज नॉट कि आपको रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया जाए, द एम इज कि आपका आपके सिटी के हिसाब से अगर आपके यहाँ पे अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी कम होगा तो आप उतना पैसा देने में कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है, तो उस हिसाब से वो किया हुआ है। इसके अलावा भी जैसे अगर आप कोई एक सिटी में हैं और उसके नजदीक में समझो, जैसे अभी किसी ने कहा था कि वो मुरैना में है और वहां से ग्वालियर 35 किलोमीटर पे है, और 35 किलोमीटर पे ग्वालियर में अगर उनको कोई स्कूल मिल रहा है तो उनको हम रिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं करेंगे सर,
राइट,
क्योंकि बिजनेस आना जरूरी है, उनको पैसा पहले मिलना जरूरी है। जैसे मैंने आपको बताया सर, आई एम इन फ्रेंचाइजिंग फॉर लास्ट 30 इयर्स, तो मेरा एम ये है कि पार्टनर्स का पहले हाथ में उनका पैसा आ जाए और वेल्थ जनरेशन हो।
नहीं, राइट, बिल्कुल ठीक बात है। खैर आपने मॉडल अच्छा निकाला है, ये फर्स्ट जो वेबिनार अटेंड किया था उसमें ये मॉडल नहीं था।
यस सर।
अभी
सर
ये मॉडल
क्या होता है कि बार बार हम सोचते रहते हैं कि अच्छे से अच्छा कैसा हम लेके जाए लोगों के पास।
हाँ, जो छोटे जिनकी फाइनेंशियल वो भी है, वो भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, ऐसा मॉडल निकाला है आपने।
राइट 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 सर, राइट।
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
सर आपका डिटेल्स, आप मोबाइल नंबर और ईमेल आईडी प्लीज डाल दीजिए।
ऑलरेडी कर दिया सर ड्रॉप।
ग्रेट ग्रेट सर, हम आपको कनेक्ट करते हैं और डिटेल में फिर बात करते हैं, क्योंकि ये जो मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पे दिखाए, इसके अलावा भी काफी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स है। हम खुद टीवी पैनल्स भी मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं,
राइट सर,
जो अभी स्कूल्स में और ऑफिसेस में यूज होते हैं।
राइट सर,
इंटरैक्टिव टीवी पैनल्स है ये, स्मार्ट टीवीज है ये, तो उसके लिए भी काफी स्कोप है अभी मार्केट में।
ठीक है सर, मैं इसमें करते हैं बाद में डिस्कशन।
यस यस जरूर संदीप जी,
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
थैंक यू संदीप जी, थैंक्स फॉर and thanks to Vinay sir for this wonderful business opportunity, and
thank you sir, thank you
all
so much
participants. करण जी का क्वेश्चन रह गया शायद, 1 मिनट सर।
हाँ
ओके मिस्टर करण, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए और प्लीज अपना क्वेश्चन 1 मिनट के अंदर कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा। थैंक यू मिस्टर करण।
या सुन सकते हैं सर?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
हाँ सर, दिल्ली में कहाँ पे आप इस समय आपका ऑपरेशन कहीं चल रहा है किसी जगह दिल्ली में?
नहीं सर, आप शुरू कर लीजिए, आपका ये एड्रेस हम देते रहेंगे लोगों को फिर।
अच्छा, पूरी दिल्ली में कहीं नहीं है? नोएडा, दिल्ली, गुड़गांव कहीं नहीं है तीनों में?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, खाली है सर अभी।
ओके ठीक है, थैंक यू।
यस सर।
डियर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, आज हमने इंडिया नंबर 1 स्टेम एंड रोबोटिक्स एजुकेशन फ्रेंचाइज ब्रांड इंडिया फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स की बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में मिस्टर विनय जी से जाना, एंड वी होप कि आपको ये सेशन काफी पसंद आया होगा। अगर आप इंडिया फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स की फ्रेंचाइज में इंटरेस्टेड हैं या फिर मिस्टर विनय कुमार जी से बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में इन डेप्थ इंफॉर्मेशन लेना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज आप इस नंबर पर कॉन्टेक्ट कर सकते हैं। प्लीज नोट डाउन द कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर, इट्स 8446767555। I am repeating again, it's 8446767555। अगर आपने यह वेबिनार लेट अटेंड किया है तो प्लीज आप franchiseapply.com के फेसबुक पेज पर जाकर या यूट्यूब चैनल पर जाकर इस पूरे वेबिनार को अगेन देख सकते हैं। एंड रिक्वेस्ट टू यू ऑल, प्लीज ड्रॉप योर नेम, कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर with mail ID in chat box so we can contact you. And if you want to know our next upcoming franchise webinar, then you can directly contact to Franchise Apply team. Our contact number is 8203030950. And a warm thanks to Mr. Vinay ji for addressing today's webinar session. Thanks a lot, Vinay sir.
Thank you Ashok ji, thank you so much. Thank you for entire Franchise Apply team, and thank you for all the participants for joining. And सभी को जन्माष्टमी की शुभकामनाएं, and stay safe, be healthy. Thank you so much.
Thank you sir. And thanks to all participants for attending today's webinar session. Bye and